Welcome to our home.
Hello everyone, good morning. And we are going to our new place, and I hope I can show you our new place. So stay tuned and I will show you guys.
Welcome to our home. We are very happy that we got the house after a long time working for it, and we want to explain you a little bit about how it is. The land has 6,000 square meters. There are two houses, one big, another one small, and you can see here the kind of trees we have. It's a zone with a very good climate, Mediterranean, very good weather, and we are in spring. So as you can see, the trees have started to bloom and to grow, and you can see very green grass and some flowers. The dogs are playing, the children as well, and we are enjoying the first days in our home. So we have almond trees, we have also some pistachio trees, figs, pine trees, and I think likely more than 10 different species of trees. As you can see, we have several species of trees and other kind of plants.
It's with Haley, darling. It's with Haley. Look, they're playing. Go there. Go there. Go.
There are some of the trees that we have in our property. These are pistachio trees. We have 7, 1 male, that one, and 6 female. So I'm glad to have these kind of trees in our property because I was working in Iran helping in the management of some plantations of pistachio trees. So I'm very glad to practice in our house, in our property, some of the knowledge that I got in this issue. You can see the future flowers of pistachio tree, and here the future leaves. This olive tree, you can see, one of the main fruit trees of Mediterranean area. Reactivating the tissues.
No, suc de piña y we have mandarins. No, hola Hailey va a buscar al bolso de...
1, 2, 3, ya.
Hailey's going to find the snack bag. These ones, guys, are grapes. Yes, so we have one line of grapes until there, until that side. Yes, hopefully this year marami silang bunga because last year as in na konti lang, tapos ang liliit pa ng mga bunga nila kasi hindi sila naalagaan. And this year hopefully maalagaan namin sila, that way marami silang maibunga. Can you see the trunk is so hard? Ganyan, guys, ang trunk ng grapes. As you can see, parang as in kung tingnan mo, parang patay siya. But ganun talaga siya, guys. Ganyan talaga ang grapevine.
see the new leaves of
In
this year?
Catalan or in Spanish is Codony.
Codony. In Spanish is membrillo.
In Spanish is membrillo. Sorry.
Mira, semblan de cotó.
Yes, it's like that. And the fruit tree is like guava or pear, something like that. Sana may bunga siya. Sana may bunga siya this year, hopefully.
This is one of our fig trees. We have around 10 fig trees in our farm of different varieties, of different color of fruit. We have varieties with the purple fruit and other ones with the green and yellow. I think these three colors.
Yes.
So these trees are very beautiful in my opinion, and the children can use to climb as well. You can see. I really like to climb the fig trees so much. You like the fig tree, Eileen? You like Lakota? You want Papa will help you to stay in the tree?
So this is plum tree, guys, but this one is still very young. Hindi natin alam kung bubunga siya, pero may flowers na siya. Nakita nyo siguro in my post, guys, sa aking Facebook. Yes, as in na ang ganda ng flowers niya. So this is plum tree. There are so many wildflowers and they are so beautiful.